Usually, acrylic coats of paint can be painted over already 5 to 10 minutes after having been applied. How fast they dry is determined by 4 factors. Thin layers dry faster than thick ones. With low temperatures or high humidity, acrylic colors dry substantially slower. And also the absorptivity of the painting support has a great influence on drying properties. If I wish the acrylic paint to stay wet for a longer period of time and to dry slower, I need to employ Lascaux Retarder. This will double the open time. Or I can even use Ultra Retarder. This is the pastos and much stronger variant, and it provides for a 6 times longer open time. Both retarders are precisely adapted to the Lascaux range of acrylic colors. I mix retarder directly with the colors. This does not at all affect the hue. I recommend applying 10 to maximum 30% of retarder. Lascaux Retarder slows down the evaporation of the water contained in the paint, thus allowing for a longer application period on non-absorbent surfaces. Canvases treated with Lascaux Primer, for instance. The prolonged open time of the coating now allows me to blur clean color limits. So, now I have deserved a break. I spray some water over the paint and close the palette with plastic wrap. There we go. The acrylic paint won't be drying until my lunch break is over.